Dear members, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the 8th edition of the flagship event of your association, Prince Summit 2014. We are delighted, grateful and honored to have you here, knowing that many of you travel long distances and try to insert this event in your busy schedule. I welcome Mr. Ashokan, President of All India Federation of Master Printers, who has traveled all the way from Shivakasi to grace this occasion. Mr. President, I firmly believe you will carry loads of good learnings from here. I also welcome office bearers of the Federation. I welcome past presidents of BMPA and friends of other affiliate associations who have specially come for this event. I welcome all the sponsors and appreciate the support for the event. They say the opportunity knocks only once, but in my case it has knocked twice, and here I am, standing before you as your BMPA president for the second year in succession, to look ahead to what really promises to be an eventful year for not only our printing industry, but for our country as a whole. India is expected to become the 6th largest market in the world by 2015. Am I right, Mr. Nandra? This is according to the study of ICD Research. And I believe we are heading for exciting time ahead. Last year, we spotted an opportunity for stability, growth, and development in spite of negative sentiments all around us. And looking at the many smiling faces in this August gathering, I conclude this year we are ready to welcome change for the better. Let me stress on one solid ground reality, that nothing is permanent except change. I repeat, nothing is permanent except change. Sometimes we change out of choice and sometimes we are compelled to change. So if this is so, let us adopt change through innovation. Let us bring about change through collaboration. Let us change to open up new opportunities. Let us institute change and stay one step ahead of our customers by offering innovative products through application of novel horizon technology and by building a smarter infrastructure that constantly gives us information to bring in this change to make our products better, durable, and less expensive. The concept of change management, as propounded by modern management techniques, is inspired by the need for effecting timely changes to ensure stability, profitability, and progress. Friends, we are entering an exciting but at the same time very challenging business environment in India. Let's try and take full benefit of today's event and better understand exciting and dynamic changes happening around us and try and learn to thrive during our exciting journey. Prince Summit, absolutely powerful and informative event where more than 65% are repeat attendees. Thank you very much. This shows the confidence of all you wonderful people in Prince Summit and BMPA. Let me assure you to offer equally powerful and informative summit today. I once again sincerely thank and welcome all of you today for your gracious presence. I thank all the sponsors for believing in BMPA and of course my wonderful Prince Summit team, a team of great people who does great work all the time. With these words, I end my speech. Wish you good luck. Thank you.